Welcome to the new Teachers Lounge feature. We're excited to help you connect, share, and grow with fellow educators. Start by opening the Teacher app on your device. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to sign in. Navigate to Teachers Lounge. On the main screen, scroll down until you see the Teachers Lounge section. You'll find all the posts made by teachers in the forum. In the Teachers Lounge, you can discuss lesson planning ideas, share classroom management strategies, ask for advice on educational technology, post questions about curriculum updates, collaborate on student engagement tips. Under each post, you can comment to share your thoughts, like posts you find helpful. Share posts with colleagues for wider discussions. Explore, communicate, and enrich your teaching experience with the Teachers Lounge.